so the video recording time is limited, but it is actually free, and it does have a watermark at the top, quite a large watermark at the top right hand corner. So I'm currently recording using Lightcam HD. I'm going to put this Lightcam HD web address on there. You can download the Lightcam HD recorder from the website. There's an Android version as well for the screen capture, and there's a Lightcam game screen capture as well, which you can download. The other one is the Adobe Captivate. It is a free 30-day trial, but it is very expensive. The upgrade price is there. As you can see, it's very expensive. One thing to bear in mind with the Lightcam HD, you need to, once you install it, you need to download the lame MP3 encoder, which will come up with by itself. You unzip the file, download the file, unzip it, and basically install it in the location based on whether you've got 64-bit Windows or 32-bit Windows. So I've currently started the Lightcam HD recording. I'm going to actually use one of my favorite full high definition recorder, which is the Microsoft Expression Encoder 4. This allows to screen capture everything. The settings, again, you can set yourself. I usually set it to 25 frames per second. Audio, record from the microphone. Hotkeys are there, Control Shift F12 to stop recording. I'm rushing this quite a lot because Lightcam HD stops recording after 10 minutes, I believe. So I'm just gonna click OK. Start recording in Microsoft Expression. Select the region at the bottom. Let's just move that to the center. So I'm just selecting a region. As you can see, you can select various different regions. I've selected full screen, which is full high definition at the moment. Press record. Click OK. Now it's going to count down and it starts recording. 3, 2, 1. Now it's recording on Expression Encoder 4. Microsoft Expression Encoder 4. It is the one that I recommend that you download, as it is free. But I'm going to run, say, an Excel application, Microsoft Excel, to see if it's full high definition. What you need to see is the clarity of the grid lines in Microsoft Excel. On a full high HD screen capture, you will see the clarity of these grid lines for Microsoft Excel. So I'm just that's running Excel. I'm exit out of that just to see if it's high definition. I'm going to stop the Microsoft Encoder 4, Control Shift F12. I've stopped it. There's the screen capture at the top, 10/2/2015. That's today's date and the time. And basically now I can do one of two things. Basically leave it and come back to it later and send it to the encoder later, or send it to the encoder now. So I'm going to send it to the encoder now. And let's see. The Microsoft Expression Encoder is quite slow, but it is very good at what it does. So here we go. Currently it's full screen. I'm going to reduce it to 50% so I get to see the full screen on in the encoder. What you'll see is quite a daunting encoder, but if you're used to software, it shouldn't be that much of a problem. The things you can do on here is you're basically allowed to add scripts, which are captions. I do not recommend you add captions because you cannot view the caption directly within the encoder. You have to encode the video, come outside of the encoder, run the video to view your captions. The captions do appear at the bottom of the video. I have tried it, and the script commands here will display all your captions. The captions run until wherever you put the caption, it will start to run from there, and it will end until the end of the video or until the next caption appears. Captions aren't all that good, but I do recommend you try it. But let's basically go through other settings. The encoding settings are here you've got Windows Media File, you've got MP4, ISS smooth streaming. I've left it as Windows Media, that's WMV file, and you've got MP4 setting as well. WMV Windows Media File is perfectly fine for video recordings. You've got clips, entrance, metadata. You won't be changing a lot of these things. The only thing you may come to is the output format, which is MP4 or Windows Media. The metadata you may come across if you're using the script commands and the captioning, but other than that, the other things you can do is go to timeline and you can add visual overlays. Now the visual overlays are basically other videos that you can add to it, which is like an embedded video within a video. So I've just added an embedded video within a video. There it is. I can move it anywhere on the screen and place it anywhere. I've placed it in the center of the screen, and as you can see, I can start the video anywhere on the timeline. So I'm just gonna move that video there. Start the video. The video starts with it. I'm just gonna stop that. So what I'll do is, while it's playing the embedded video, I'm gonna actually encode the whole thing. This encoding process does take quite a lot of time. You can see it's pretty fast currently, but this is simply because it is it's about 45-second video or something. It's pretty, the video is not that long. It's currently encoding the video. Once it turns all green, there's a second pass now. There we go. The video would be encoded. And we'll view the Microsoft Expression Encoder video simply because it is the better application than the Lightcam HD. Lightcam HD video is the one that you'll view on my YouTube channel and on my website. All the links to these applications will be put up on my website, so you can make your own choice as to which application is better for you. Here we go. There we go. So that's basically completed the recording and rendered it. I'm going to come out of the Expression Encoder, file, exit. Do you want to save? You can save the job if you wish to do so. Yes. And let's call it a demo. Okay, save that. I'm going to close Expression Encoder now because I don't need that. What I'm going to do is locate. Just get rid of my email first. Minimize that. It's in my documents, the Expression Encoder jobs output, and today's date is the 10th of the 2nd, and its current time is 15:48, so it's 15:42 is the one I'm looking for. There's the WMV file capture. I'm currently playing it on full screen with Windows Media Player, and there's the embedded video that you can see. As you can see, there's a clarity of the grid lines in Microsoft Excel using Microsoft Expression Studio, and there's an embedded video being played in the center. Like I said, anything that you add will be in there. Please do like my videos on YouTube and Facebook,